माधुरी, कैसे हो आप लोग? आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई एम इन दिस लाइफ. हाय कुमारी, हाय रुचि, हाय कीर्ति, हेलो. हाय रितु, आई एम गुड, हाउ आर यू? हाय पंचम, हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड. हाय अब्दुल्ला. It's been a long time I'm in this life, but no worries. थोड़ा सा एक announcement भी है, so we are going to do that is first. Alright. So we are happy to announce that we are finally doing our next exhibition in Bangalore, and dates are 14th, 15th, and 16th of September. We are so excited to see you all in person, and venue is at the Lalit Ashok, Bangalore, and dates are 14th, 15th, and 16th of September. Also, it's a 3-day exhibition, so Bangalore people, let's see you soon. And also, you know, when we posted on our story, that is when we announced it officially on Instagram, we got hundreds of DM. It was filled with joy and love that they are so excited to see us in person, like especially the Bangalore people, our Bangalore customers. And we are just filled with the joy and love that yes, we have many customers in the Bangalore, and just like we had in Hyderabad. So this is our second exhibition that we are doing in September, and dates are 14th, 15th, and 16th. For those who doesn't know, and yeah, do come with your friends, with your family, with your group, and solo as well. So hi Alam, hi. So yeah, this was an announcement that we want to do it on the live, and so we are so excited to see you in person. So let's see. Also, more details will be out soon, like very soon. Venue and dates have been already announced. The rest details, like the entry passes and everything, will be discussed later. So we'll inform you through the stories on Instagram. Alright. Also, so let's start with the live. So I'm going to show you. Before we start, let me just clear that all the jewelries will be going to show you today or now. All this for festive occasion or maybe any special occasions. So अभी जो month आ रहा है, which is September month, and as you all know, next week already Janmashtami है, फिर following up with the Ganesh Chaturthi and Durga Puja and Diwali and whatnot. Festival start होते हैं वो खत्म ही नहीं होते. So this live is start for that special occasion and festive occasion. So let's start. And very first I'm going to show you this beautiful set that I have been loving it. And हम लोग जब exhibition में show किया था in Hyderabad, most of the people were literally like, you know, कब से stare कर रहे, like, oh okay, we really love that jewelry, that set is so good. But of course price is high, but depends on the weight as well. तो इसका weight के accordingly price set है. So we'll show you this first. So yeah, this one is a set which is gold, 14 karat pure gold with the BIS hallmark, and इसमें rice pearls का addition है, as you all can see. So the rice pearls are so beautifully designed with the gold and all, integrating the parts, and the designs are so minimal, you know, so cute as well. I'll just show you how the earring are. Let me show you the earring as well. Or in case you just like the earring, अगर आपको सब earring भी चाहिए, you can DM us by taking a screenshot. So this is how the earring looks like, and I'll show you the set as well. This is the set. 1,20,000 is the price for this 14 karat pure gold set, and this comes with the BIS hallmark. So let's talk about the details first. इसमें जो stones लगे हुए हैं, all these are very semi-precious stones, and these are emerald green stone and ruby stone as well. And the rice pearl की जो quality, it's very premium. For those working for a bridal gift, you know, or for the brides as well, this is the perfect one. आप इसको कभी भी पहन सकते हो, any time, anywhere. And this is like, this actually gives you that very chic and royal look. So you can take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. 1,20,000 is the price for this set, and soon we are going to show this on our next exhibition which is happening in Bangalore. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. Acha, next है, it's very budget friendly as well, and I'm going to show you that for those who want an dangle earring but also the weight, it's perfect. The next one we have this in maroon beads dangle earring. So by the maroon beads you all can see already. It's too cute and beautiful. It's designed with the polki stone as well, and इसमें Bombay screw दिया हुआ है, as you all can see. So this comes with the Bombay screw and polki stone. तो सामने में polki stone है, and all these are cream beads and pearls. And if you want to replace this cream pearls with the whitish pearl or off-white pearls, we'll do it. As is the customer's order, we have this another in piece. So if you want to order this, this is a ready to dispatch item. Also, price for this dangle earring is only 11,500. So yeah, it's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's in the middle, and yeah, it's very perfect for the party wear as well. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. It's a price for this is only 11,500, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is ready to dispatch item. Now next we have this pendant which you can wear it with any choker, any sort of mala or chain or necklace. So I'll show you the back as well, but then take the first look. This is the Navratna pendant, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, 58.5% purity, and this is how the Navratna pendant looks like. It's very beautiful, and आप इसके stones भी देख सकते हो. All these are semi-precious. So by Navratna stone, that is the Navratna stone meaning is different. No, let's see. Navratna means 9 stones. So multicolors में क्या होता है ना? It's same also, but they doesn't have only the 9 stones. They may have more than 9 stones or lesser than 9 stones. So the Navratna stone pendant is this. This is ready to dispatch item, and for those who are looking for a big size pendant or medium size pendant, this is the perfect choice to make. Also, let's just talk about the back hook, जो obviously depend करता है कि आप कौन से chain के साथ पहन सकते हो, आप कौन से माला के साथ you can wear it, or with any sort of necklace. So I'll just show you the back, the side hook. I mean, it's the back hook. I'm going to show you from the side view. This is how it looks, and this is the most demanded pendant that we have till now. तो ये अभी restock हुआ है, so we want to show this on live because जब देखो ये sold out हो जा रहे हैं by any each other customers. So yeah, let's take a look for this Navratna pendant. Okay, price for this Navratna stone pendant with cream pearl is only 18,500. Price is 18,500. So this is also 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Also, let me tell you, जो BIS hallmark जो होता है ना, usually with the jewelry, it's always either on the side of the item or the back. See, यहाँ पर it's already given the hallmark. Obviously, you can't see it on the live. It's not that visible. Even if I have to look, I have to look through the, you know, a little smaller. But okay, this is how it looks from the back, and this from the front. Price is only 18,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. Okay. Now we'll move ahead with another earring, which is as demanded as that pendant, but ये भी restock हुआ है, and this is our customer's order, so we're going to show you this, which comes with the Chennai screw. So let's just see the details of the earring. So this earring is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, which comes with the cream pearls, and इसमें parrot style pattern दिया हुआ है on the right and left side of the earring. You all can see, right? going to show you how this earring actually looks on me. Just like this, and yeah, this is how the earring looks. This comes with the pearls and 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this comes with the Chennai screw. So as all you can see, the Chennai screw. This is how it looks. And so the price for this earring is only 16,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring. Price is only 16,500. If you want to place an order, kindly take the screenshot of that particular item. You can DM us by sending the screenshots or the number that I've posted down as a pinned comment. This is how it looks. And अगर आपको कस्टमाइज करवानी हो, if you want to customize any jewelry you have, or if you have any reference of that picture और किसी और ब्रांड के ज्वेलरी की है, so do not worry, just send that picture to us and we'll make that exact same picture and it's the same jewelry for you. So price for this is only 16,500. Hi Mithi, how are you? Okay, next we'll show you the bracelet that I'm wearing, and this is one of my favorite bracelet, and of course our customer's bracelet as well, because this is her order. I'll just show you how this looks. Also, this is how it looks. This is a pink bracelet with 14 karat gold and polki stone. So ये किसी को भी आ जाएगा. Do not worry about the size. This fits to all, and I'm just gonna show you how this looks. This is how it looks. So this is 14 karat gold with the ruby pink stone bracelet. Comes with the hallmark, and price for this is only 10,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place for this. And 10,500 is the price for this one. So take a screenshot for this bracelet, and if you want a customization with this bracelet, or else if you want something like multicolor bracelet or in Navaratna stone bracelet, don't worry, we'll make that customized for you as well. So yeah, 10,500 is the price for this. Hi Priyanka, thank you so much. I'm good. Don't worry Zen, I'll reply you back as soon as possible, just after the live. Okay, now we'll move ahead with the Chandbali earring. I'm going to show you that. So this is a very new piece that we have got, which we also went with the exhibition as well, and most of the customers in Hyderabad, they love this design. They actually love all the designs in this Chandbali earrings that we have, but this is the best and the new one. So I'm going to show you this. So this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark with the drops of maroon beads and emerald green stone, which is given at the bottom, followed up with the polki stone. This is okay. The stones are semi-precious, let me tell you, and do not worry about the quality. It won't fade away or nothing gonna happen with the gold, because we get a question a lot that ऐसे तो नहीं है ना कि gold fade हो जाएगा or something the other. So I'll just clear it in the live itself. So okay, the Chandbali earrings, right? This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. The purity is 58.5% purity. So I'll just show you how this earring actually looks on me. I'm gonna show you, yeah. So this is how the Chandbali earring looks. So आप देख सकते हो, you can just see how कितना big है. This is how the size of this Chandbali earring it is. You can definitely wear this at any occasion, any party wear, or a big special event. So yeah. Also, the screw that we have in this Chandbali earring is Bombay screw. So So it's perfect also because the Bombay screw is always convenient to wear. It's very easy to wear. So yeah, this is a Chanbali earring, and price for this Chanbali earring is only 42,500. This Chanbali earring comes with the BIS hallmark, which is also given in the side of this earring or the back of the screw, and this is ready to dispatch. So if you want to place an order for this Chanbali earring, or अगर आपको कस्टमाइज करवाने हो with any reference picture you have, if you have any reference picture, you can send this on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted on as a pinned comment. So this is Chanbali earring, 42,500. Now next earring that I'm going to show you is the most loved earring till now, because ये हमेशा sold out हो जाता है, so we have to restock every time. And people always love about the designs and everything. So also don't worry, ये Bangalore exhibition maybe will show. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. This is a 14 carat. It's a very beautiful and adorable heart shaped earring with the square shape pattern. So I'm just going to show you. You all can see this mini heart, right? It's so cute. It's so it's very pretty. So I'm going to show you all the details and how it looks only, so that you all can figure it out कि इसका size कैसे. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how this earring looks. So by now you all can figure it out, right? And the reason why I said that it's the most loved earring till now, the customer's favorite earring, this gets each and every time it's always sold out. So yeah, we have to restock. So this is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, 58.5% purity. As you all can see, this stones are semi-precious and the stones over here are polki stones. So yeah, this is how it looks. And the screw that we have here, it's Bombay screw. Again, it's very easy to wear and easy to go. So yeah. अच्छा, आप इसको कैसे भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. You can wear this with any outfits you want, be it ethnic, be it Indo-Western, or any kind of traditional outfits. So even though I'm wearing this yellow kurta, it gives a very chic and very unique vibes to me, because this is a very pretty one. Okay, so price for this earring is only 14,500. For those who are looking for a budget-friendly earring under 15,000, this is the perfect choice. And अगर आप कोई gift purpose के लिए देते हो, so I assure you, the person who this actually आप किसी को gift भी करोगे ना, they're gonna love it. So 14,500 is the price for this earring. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this product. In case अगर आपको customize करवानी हो, or if you want to customize with any pictures that you have, or with any beads you want to replace it with, just send us a screenshot of that particular item. We will show you, and we'll actually send you the exact same code and the details with the weight. Now next we'll show you this 14 karat gold. It's a dangle earring, which is also a new piece right now. So I'm just gonna show you that. This is a dangle earring. You all can see, right? And oh my god, this looks aesthetic. This gives aesthetic vibe, and पूरा gold का work है इसमें. There is nothing like other except, and stone that we have used here is polki stone. Just have a look for this earring. It's that pretty dazzling. It gives it a dazzling effect also as well, because of the stone that we have used. And screw में इसका Bombay screw है, which is obviously it's very easy to wear, and you all can figure it out, right? How big is it? So this is a dangle earring with the Bombay screw. Price for this dangle earring is only 20,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring. just going to show you how this earring looks like so that you can take a screenshot for this. You all can take a screenshot for this earring if you want to purchase it, or if you want to purchase it in future or later, just so that you can save it on your gallery. You know, you can आप इसको कभी भी save कर सकते हो. You can if you आपका मन बन गया तो you can buy it anytime, anytime. So this will get restocked. So okay, so price for this is only 20,500. Now next we have this jhumka earring, which is also a lotus pattern jhumka earring, and this is how it looks. 14 karat gold with the lotus pattern jhumka earring. You all can see this, right? It's pure 14 karat gold with the BIS hallmark, and I'm going to show you how this looks. It's a very cute and pretty small jhumka, but it's very cute. I loved it. I love the design of this lotus jhumka earring, and this is a trendy earring till now, because lotus जो pattern है ना never goes out of trend, and jhumka तो always it's never old fashion or never new fashion. It's always like jhumka तो सबके साथ जाता है, you beat with any outfits. So I'm not gonna lie about this. Even you all know the truth. So yeah. This is the 14 karat gold lotus pattern jhumka earring, and you all can see how the earring is actually making it look so beautiful because of the size of the earring and the details and the gold, of course. Yet, so price for this lotus jhumka earring is only 21,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring. 21,500 is the price for this earring, which comes with the Bombay screen. Now next I'll show you this mala, which is as new as it was made, and this is our customer's order, which we are going to dispatch, and I'm just going to show you how this looks. So gold in this mala is 14 karat gold with the BIS hallmark, and you all can see the pearls and beads as well. And the side part of this has elephant pattern. So this is elephant mala, which comes with beads and pearls. So in this we have got this semi-precious beads, and the pearls are premium quality. This comes with the doli itself, and this is how it looks. So just take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, or if you want to customize this with another pendant if you want. अगर आपको replace करना है, if you want to replace this elephant pendant or the side pendant with the other one, or if you have any designs with you can send this. So yeah, price for this mala is only 35,000. So this is how it looks, and you know the mala, especially this type of mala, goes well with the sari and all. So this is the perfect choice to make if you are looking for a gift purpose as well. अगर आपको अपनी mom को gift करना है, or relatives, special ones or loved ones, you can gift them this. As price is only 35,000. This gives you that very royal look as well. So, okay. Now we'll move ahead with another jhumka that we have. You all be thinking she is so obsessed with the jhumka, but we have so cute and pretty designs in the jhumka. So definitely, I'm gonna show you. This is another piece and very brand new. So you will see the details for this earring. This is 14 karat gold with pink and green jhumka in the flower pattern. So let's see how the details looks like, and this is how it looks. Flower pattern में falling up with the jhumka with the beads, and this comes with the Bombay screen. Bombay school is always like so easy to wear compared with the Chennai screw. So yeah, I'll just show you how this looks. This is how the earring looks. Now you can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is the 8.5% purity. Also, price for this jhumka earring is only 21,000. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. To place an order, you can send the screenshot to our Instagram page by the DM or the number that I posted down as a pin comment. This is our alternate WhatsApp number, so you can place an order with this. Or if you have any inquiries or anything such thing, you can call us. Price is only 21,000. Now next we'll move ahead with our pastel color mala, and it's a necklace of course. I'll just show you. This is a pastel one and one of my favorite. The pastels are like, it goes with any outfit. Anytime you can wear this, and you know, this is as perfect. This is the gorgeous pastel mala beads. And price is only 14,500. 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. It's so pastel color, the pastel sage green, pastel pink, and with the cream pearls as well. Now you can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, as this is totally a budget friendly necklace. Price for this is only 14,500. So I told you this is a very budget friendly, and this is ready to dispatch item. So if you want to place an order, you should place an order by today, because it could be sold out of as they've already showed in the live. Yeah. Price is only 14,500, which comes with the lock and the back. This is also BIS hallmark, so take a screenshot. Now we'll show you another piece, which is obviously last but not the least. Okay, price for this Mitri, this is 14,500. Price is 14,500. Okay, next I'll just show you this yellow beads mala, which is in mustard yellow. Of course, just have a look for this. This one is in 14 karat mustard yellow, and the beads are real beads. So yeah, I'll just show you how this looks. 14 karat gold mustard yellow, it comes with the real beads mala, and price for this is 14,500. So yeah, the one that I showed you, the previous one, the prices are same for this too, 14,500. This is a necklace piece which comes with the pendant, and it's in pastel color. Want to book, definitely with it. You can take a screenshot of this item and send this on Instagram page or the number. 14,500 for this necklace, and for this beautiful mustard yellow kurta, which is actually matching with my kurta again. So yeah. Okay, so price for this is as well 14,500, which comes with the dori. And you all can see how beautiful side tikras are there in the in the right and left side, which comes with the polki stone. $14,500 is the price for this mala. Alright, so we are done with the live today, and for those that doesn't know about the next exhibition, we are happening in Bangalore, and the dates have been announced, which is on 14th, 15th and 16th September, and venue is the Lalit Ashok Bangalore. So see you soon, Bangalore guys, and more details will be out soon, so stay tuned. And for the next time, we'll update you through the story. So till then, have a nice day ahead.